I'm sure you've heard the radar's not just old-school military tech, it's now powering everything from self-driving cars to smart cities. Let's break down the modern radar market. In 2024, the radar market is estimated at around $38 billion, with projections soaring to over $51 billion by 2029. What's behind this growth? Think military modernization, smarter air traffic control, safer cars, and even better weather tracking. Regionally, North America leads in innovation, especially for aerospace and defense. Europe's seeing a surge thanks to strict vehicle safety norms. Automotive radar is taking off. Meanwhile, Asia-Pacific holds nearly 40% of the global market, fueled by rapid tech adoption and huge investments in defense and smart infrastructure. Competition is fierce. Major players are racing to advance real-time analytics and software-defined radar tech. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.